free website builder without coding. So I have been able to build this amazing website that you are looking at without having any experience with coding at all. Okay, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial on how to also do the exact same thing. Okay, so let's get right into the content. I'm having a link of this platform in the video description. Just click on it and it's going to bring you right here. So when you just come and click on sign up for free, and then you're going to go through a short registration process with your Gmail account. So when you come here to the Stargained site, this one, okay, you click on it. This is the website that I've been able to build. I'm going to delete it and then we start from scratch. Okay, so when you come to the action, it says delete. I'm simply going to click on delete. Then when you come here, all that I have to do is just come and put in delete in this box. Okay, and then hit delete site. Then my site is deleted. Let's start from scratch. So when you sign up with the link, when you come to your dashboard, this is how it is going to look like. Okay, over here, just come here to build site with AI. Okay, and then select it, and then we are going to go through all these series of steps to create your website. So what you have to do is that you have to come here where it says name of the site, come and put in the name that you prefer here, and then just come here where it says this website is for, come and select the purpose of the website. Okay, we have agency, any of these. I'm going to select local business. Okay, then simply come here to the language and then come and choose the one that you prefer. I'm going to leave it at the default one. Okay, so I'm going to call the name of my website as New York House for Rent, New York House for Rent, just like this one. Then come here and come and click on continue. So the next thing I have to do is to just describe what your website is about so that the AI can build it for you. Okay, so you can come here and come and click on write using AI, and the AI is going to generate some for you just like this one. Read through it and then edit it. If you don't want it, you can simply come here and then come and click on improve using AI, and then it will write a different one for you. Okay, so when you're ready, just come here and then come and click on continue. After that, what you have to do is to just come and then put in your contact details and people is going to use to contact your business. Okay, so come and put in your business email address here, and then simply come here and then come and put in the phone number here as well. Okay, beside that one too, you have to come and then put in your business address here so that people can visit you in person. Okay, and you can also come here and then come and put in your social media handles to it by simply adding it by clicking on the plus sign, and then you can add any of these social media handles to it so that it will be added and then built for you. I'm going to skip it by clicking on skip step. Okay, so over here the next thing that you have to do is to select free stock images so that it can be used to build your website. Okay, you can sort it by these categories by selecting any of them. Okay, so after selecting the pictures, when you come here to the selected images and then you click on it, you are going to see all the images that you have selected, and then you can remove some from it. Okay, and then if you have your own images as well, you can simply come to upload your images and then simply come here and then come and then upload these images. Make sure it is not more than 20 images at a time. Okay, and then if you want to search for any free stock image, just come to the search results and then click on it. Then you have numerous of it to select from. Okay, so when you are done and then you are okay, simply come here to where it says continue and then come and click on continue. The next thing is to select the structure of your website. That is how your website is going to look like. You can select from any of these by simply putting the mouse on it, and then it is going to be shown from the top to the bottom how the website is going to look like. Okay, I'm simply going to go through and then select the one that suits my business preference. This is what I'm going to select, and then all that I have to do is to simply just come and then put the mouse on it and then click on it, and then it's going to be selected. So you can also upload your site logo by simply clicking on upload file here, and then you can also change the font of the website by selecting it from any of these. You can also change the color, that is the color palette, by selecting any of these. I'm going to leave mine at the default. Okay, if you don't like the design you selected, you can come here and come and click on go back to other design and choose a different one. So when you are okay, just come here and come and click on continue, and then what you have to do is to select any of these features to be added to your website. Okay, so the features, we have the donation one. You can simply come in and check the box so so that it will be added. I don't want it, so I'm going to uncheck it. We have the sales funnel and then the free live chat as well. You can always add this later, okay? And then we have the automation and then we have the video player as well. I'm going to skip all these by simply coming here where it says skip and then start building, and then I click on it, okay? And then over here it says we are almost done, congratulations. And then this is a glimpse of what you have done. So all that you have to do is just come and then click on start building the website, okay? And then sit back, relax, and then see the AI build your website in few seconds for you. So wow, we have successfully created our website. It is so easy and simple, right? So come and then copy your credentials by simply coming to click on the copy, put it somewhere, okay, and then come and click on view website. And over here it is saying that the website is temporary. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix everything, okay? Simply come in and come and put okay here, and then come and click on the submit, okay? And your website is going to be open just like this one, live, built in just a few seconds. Wow, this platform is amazing, right? And then it is totally free, okay? So what you have to do now is that we have to customize our website to fit our preference, okay? Especially I want to show you how to change the home page image. What you have to do is just come to the URL and then come and add /wp-admin, this one, wp-admin to it, and hit enter. Then come and use the login details that you copied to log in by simply putting the username and then password and click on log in. So we have been logged into our dashboard. We can visit our website by simply coming here to click on visit site, and our website is here. So we can do any customizations that we want. First, let's change the home page image by simply going to the dashboard and then come here to all pages, the pages here, come and select all pages, and then over here you are going to see all the pages that your website is having. Just come to the home and then come and click on edit, okay? So when you select edit, you can simply close this one and then you can simply change the image by clicking on the it, and then just come here to the top side, then make sure that the settings is selected and then the blog is selected as well, okay? Then what you have to do is to just come to the style, this one, and then come and select the style, okay? So when you select the style, you can see that the image is here, and it says change image. Just come and then click on it, and then you can simply add any image by simply clicking on select files from your laptop, okay? You can also go to the media library, and then all the images that was used to build your website will be shown here. I'm going to choose this image to be set as my homepage image, and then when selected it will show this way, just like this, with the details. All that you have to do is just come down here where it says select and then click on the select, okay? So just come here. So as you can see, it has been selected. All that you have to do is to just go to the top side where it says update and then click on the update, and then wait for it to be updated, okay? Now let's go and then visit our page by coming here to click on view page, and as you can see, we can simply go to here and then visit our site by clicking on visit site, and as you can see, our home page image has been changed to the one that we prefer, okay? So this is how to change the home page image, and then we can customize the whole website by coming here to click on customize, okay? And then we can choose from all of these, okay? So we have all of these that we can click on it and then edit it, and then when editing it you can view it on the desktop mode, the tablet mode, and then the mobile mode as well, okay? And then you can also put the mouse on anything that you want and then come and select the edit button and then click on it, and you can edit it right from the site. So I'm going to edit the title. I'm simply going to remove the F and then put in capital F here. So when I'm done, just come here to the top. After editing everything, come down to the top and then click on publish, and it is going to be live, okay? So from the name of our website, you can see that it is now changed to capital F, okay? So this is how to edit your website, anything, everything that you want to edit. One thing that you have to know is that when you come to the top here, it says that the website is going to expire in 24 hours. Yes, it means that the platform that we use to build our website does not host it. So we need a hosting platform. Then we have to download our website so that we can host it on a hosting platform, okay? So let's do it. So to download it, just go to the dashboard and then click on it, and then simply come here to the plugins and then come and select add new plugin, okay? Then what you are going to do is to go and then search for WP Vivid, just like this one. When it comes, simply come and then select this one, okay? And then come and then click on install now. So just wait for it to finish installing and then come and click on activate. After you click on activate, just go to the dashboard, and then when you come here, you see that under the settings we have WP Vivid backup is here. Now all that you have to do is just go to the backup and then restore, and then make sure that the database plus files is checked, and then save to local backup is also checked as well. And then simply come in and come and click on backup now, okay? Simply sit down, wait for it to be backed up, and then when it is done, just come here to where it says backups. Just come down here. You are going to see that our backup is right here. And when you come here to the download, just simply come and click on the download, okay? And then just come here to the file size. So you see the file size is here. Then come and click on the download and simply wait. As you can see, our website is downloading. Simply wait for it to finish downloading. And it has finished downloaded. We can simply come and then open it by clicking on the folder button, and then it has been opened successfully. Okay, so now we have been able to download our website that we build with this free website builder. Okay, now what you have to do is to host it on a hosting platform. We have a paid one and then a free one as well. I'm having a full video teaching you how to use these two ways to host your website right on my channel. Okay, so check it out and then watch that video.